Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I hope you are always healthy. Before starting, let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Amanda Firdaus. I am usually called Nabila from the Mathematics Education Study Program Muhammadiyah University of Ponorogo. Okay, here I will explain the result of the International Journal Review. Straight away, this is the journal identity that I choose. I choose the journal with the title is Teaching Mathematics from the Lens of Social Justice in a Pakistani Classroom. The author is Kasfia Latafat from Virtual University of Pakistan. From the years 2024. The journal name is Asian Journal for Mathematics Education, Volume 3, Number 1, and page 106 until 123. And you can check the contents of the journal more clearly via the following this link. Okay, for the first, this is introduction. In the current context of education, teaching mathematics is oftentimes separated from relevant social issues, making it less meaningful for students. Many students have difficulty in understanding the concept of mathematics because of the lack of connection with everyday life. And in Pakistan, this challenge is increasingly compounded by social inequality and limited access against quality education. Therefore, it is important to exploring the integrated teaching approach social justice, which not only increase understanding mathematics, but also equip students with awareness of social issues. The next formulation problem. The first, how do teachers conceptualize and integrate the notion of social justice within their classroom settings? Second, how can teachers further refine their understanding of social justice through the implementation of a well-designed professional development model? And the third, what innovative approaches do teachers develop and implement to align mathematical education goals with social justice objectives? And then, what the research purpose? This study aims to explore and develop a mathematics teaching method that integrates social justice issues. In addition, this study aims to improve students' understanding and engagement in mathematics learning, empower teachers through collaboration, and create a learning environment that is more inclusive and relevant to students' social realities. Thus, this study seeks to address educational gaps and foster social awareness among students. This is table a framework for incorporating social justice in the math classroom. This is equity and access, diverse perspective, critical thinking and problem solving, addressing bias and stereotypes, social justice issue in math, collaboration and community engagement, and reflection and action. Okay, for the next, research methodology. This journal used the method participatory action research, and the subjects 80 students for 4 classes of grade 5 until 6 students. Data collection instrument from classroom observation, interview with the teacher and students, and document analysis. And the last, data analysis. Qualitative data were analyzed using thematic analysis technique to identify emerging categories and the relationship between response and the social justice framework in mathematics teaching. Okay, and the next, research findings. The result of the study show 4 main themes that emerged from the data analysis. Describing change in teaching practice and teachers' understanding of mathematics teaching through a social justice perspective. For the first, changing philosophy of mathematics. Teachers experience a significant change in their view of mathematics. Initially, teachers viewed mathematics as a purely content-based subject. However, through participation in this research, teachers began to understand its value and social construction, increasing their awareness of the impact of their teaching. Second, research findings development of learning agency. Involving students in the learning process increases motivation and engagement, especially when learning is connected to social issues. Learning that connects mathematics to real social issues makes students more enthusiastic and excited. We can see this table 3, the intersection of the component for implementing social justice in the math classroom. For the component are critical pedagogy, practical organization, explorative research, and thematic analysis. Okay, the next research findings collaborative approach of research group. Positive working relationships between teachers encourage talking in teachings and broaden understanding of inclusive practice. For the last, research findings, skill and achievement. The study had a positive impact on students' mathematical engagement and knowledge, including low achievers, showing significant improvements in engagement and performance. This is Table 4, Mathematics and Social Goals. In Table 4 illustrates how teachers establish connection between social justice goals and mathematics goals, integrating them into their classroom instruction. And this educational approach aims to integrate mathematics with social goals and issues to make math education more relevant and socially conscious. Okay, and then final discussion of this journal is implication of the research project. For the first, mathematics teaching demonstrates how mathematics can enhance students' understanding of social justice issues and fosters collaboration and problem solving that empowers students. Second, teacher professional development highlights the importance of critical engagement with research to foster reflection and awareness of social inequalities. And the last, mathematics education research advocates for collaborative methodologies that challenge existing narratives and generate practical knowledge for positive social change. Okay, and in conclusion, this research project offers valuable insight into the implementation of social justice in mathematics education and highlights the importance of effective professional development in promoting this approach. The collaborative effort of teachers and researchers in conducting systematic inquiry contribute to reliable and credible findings that challenge perception of inequities and injustice in mathematics teaching. Okay everyone, maybe that is all I can explain. I hope it is useful for all of us. Thank you for your nice attention. That's all for me. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.